Hello, beautiful soul. Thank you so much for joining me for this healing session. This is your time to slow down, reconnect, and let your body and mind return to a place of peace and calm. Go ahead and take a comfortable position now. You can sit with your feet gently resting on the floor, grounded and supported. Or if you prefer, lie down somewhere warm and quiet, allowing your body to fully relax for the next 10 minutes. Let's begin by tuning into the breath, that natural rhythm of life flowing through us. We're going to do a gentle breath exercise. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4. Ready? Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Again. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Feel your breath softening your body. Feel your shoulders drop, your jaw unclench, and your thoughts gently slow down. Now let's gently bring awareness to your body. Start by bringing your focus to the top of your head. Feel the energy there, and slowly scan down to your face. Feel the muscles around your eyes, your jaw, your mouth. Release any tension. Let it melt away. Move your attention down to your neck and shoulders. Can you feel the warmth of your blood circulating, nourishing every cell? Let your shoulders grow heavy and relaxed. Now bring your awareness to your arms. Feel the gentle pulse of life. Down to your hands, your fingertips. Notice how your body holds you, supports you. Now feel your chest rise and fall with the breath. Your heartbeat steady and calm. Your lungs expanding with fresh, healing air. Move down to your belly. Let it be soft. Let it be at peace. Feel the warmth in your abdomen, the center of your energy. Now into your hips, your legs, down to your ankles, and finally your feet. Your bones are strong. Your muscles are relaxed. Your body is whole. You are supported. Now become aware of the space around you. Perhaps there is silence or maybe gentle noise. Let it all be part of your meditation. The hum of life around you, the rhythm of nature. There is peace even in the sounds. Imagine a soft golden light shining above you. The sun's warmth touches your skin, melting away stress. A fresh breeze gently brushes past your face. Cool, calm, refreshing. With every inhale, fresh air fills your lungs. With every exhale, you let go of what no longer serves you. Maybe you feel the subtle wind around you, a reminder that life is always moving, flowing, renewing. Let's return once more to our breath. We'll do our breath work again to bring us gently back into the present. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And again. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Feel the stillness within you now. You are safe. You are grounded. You are exactly where you need to be. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up today, for choosing stillness, for choosing healing. Your energy is lighter, your mind is clearer, your body is at ease. Thank you for joining me on this journey. May you carry this peace with you into the rest of your day. Namaste.